guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Telegram on your Android phone. Go ahead and open up the Telegram app, guys, and from here just use the search to type in Telegram. So just once you start to type Tele, you'll find Telegram up here. You'll find the Telegram app. From Telegram fz.llc, and just go ahead and click on install, and you will be able to install the Telegram app. Now once the app is installed, go ahead and click on open, and you just want to go ahead and start messaging. So just simple click the start messaging on the upper right hand side, click and continue. You will need to click on allow a few times. It will automatically populate your phone number and your country. Just go ahead and click on next, click on continue, click on allow, and that's gonna go ahead and quickly load up. It will go ahead and send a code to your phone. It will automatically add the code as well. Click on allow, and that's how easy it is to set up Telegram. And guess what? It's all done. Very easy and very simple. One of the easiest apps to set up on your phone.